Congratulations on your purchase of the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker. Here we will show you how to use the grill grate and oven rack, as well as how to operate with charcoal. Note: the oven racks should only be used with the oven chamber. Slide the oven racks into the shelves in the oven chamber. When using charcoal, see the charcoal manufacturer's instructions to determine the best method for preparing and lighting charcoal. When using the portable grill, place charcoal in the charcoal grilling chamber. When using the oven, place charcoal and optional wood chips in the charcoal grilling chamber. And when using the slow cooker smoker combo, place charcoal in the charcoal grilling chamber. Additional charcoal and optional wood chips can be added to the tray to add extra heat to the oven chamber. Remember to always use the ashtray when using charcoal. Refer to using the ashtray video for more details. Note the recommended charcoal capacities for the style of cooking you wish to do. For more information on the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker, subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/EmerilEveryday.